Welcome back to DigitizerX, your go-to channel for digital transformation in the pharmaceutical and life sciences industries. Today, we're diving into one of the most important regulations that governs the use of electronic records and signatures in FDA-regulated environments, 21 CFR Part 11. If your organization uses electronic systems to record, sign, or transmit information, this regulation matters to you. So stick around, because in the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know. What is 21 CFR Part 11? Digital documents transforming from paper to digital. 21 CFR Part 11 issued by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration stands for Title 21 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 11. It lays out the rules for when electronic records and electronic signatures are legally considered equivalent to their paper-based counterparts. The regulation applies to any electronic record created, modified, maintained, archived, or transmitted in connection with FDA-regulated activities including pharmaceuticals, biotech, medical devices, and clinical trials. Alright, let's dive into Part 11. It's broken down into 3 easy sections. Subpart A, General Provisions. Subpart B, Electronic Records. And Subpart C, Electronic Signatures. Each subpart is broken down into individual sections or symbolizing section that explain specific requirements. Let's explore each in detail. Subpart A sets the foundation. 11.1 Scope. It tells us when electronic records and signatures are considered equivalent to paper and ink. 11.2 Implementation explains when and how electronic systems can replace paper. 11.3 Definitions provides crucial terms like electronic signature, closed system, biometrics, and more. Subpart B covers the meat of the regulation, the requirements for electronic records. 11.1 Controls for closed systems. These are systems where access is restricted to responsible individuals. Controls must include: system validation ensures electronic systems consistently perform as intended, maintaining data integrity and reliability. Audit trails automatically records user actions and system changes with timestamps to ensure traceability and accountability. Secure access restricts system entry to authorized users only, protecting sensitive data from unauthorized use or tampering. User training equips personnel with the necessary knowledge and skills to correctly and securely use regulated electronic systems. Document control manages the creation, approval, distribution, and revision of documents to ensure current and accurate information is used. Accountability policies define and enforce individual responsibilities and penalties for misuse of electronic records or signatures. 11.3 Controls for open systems. These are less secure environments like cloud or shared platforms. They require everything from 11.1 plus additional safeguards like encryption and digital signature standards. 11.5 Signature manifestations. Every electronic signature must include the name, timestamp, and purpose of the signing. 11.7 Signature or record linking. The system must ensure signatures can't be cut, copied, or moved to falsify the record. Subpart C is all about electronic signatures, the heart of digital compliance. 11.1 General requirements. Every signature must be unique to an individual, and companies must certify to the FDA that the signatures are legally binding. 11.2 Signature components and controls. For non-biometric systems, users must authenticate with at least 2 components like a username and password. Reuse of credentials by others is prohibited, and shared signings require multiple people to authenticate. 11.3 Identification, code and password controls. Organizations must keep codes or passwords unique, periodically change them, report and block unauthorized use, test and maintain authentication devices regularly. 21 CFR Part 11 ensures data integrity, traceability, and trust. In industries like pharmaceuticals, this regulation helps prevent data tampering, ensure secure sign-offs on clinical trials, Make audit trails fully traceable, digitally transform paper-heavy processes without losing regulatory compliance. Whether you're validating a new LIMS, implementing an eQMS, or managing a GXP cloud platform, compliance with Part 11 is a must. If you're navigating digital systems in a regulated environment, 21 CFR Part 11 isn't just a regulation, it's your digital blueprint for compliance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a deeper dive into validation, audit trails, or electronic signature technology. This is DigitizerX, empowering pharma through digital.